Actually, entire day I was busy in my study, but it is evening time and it is 5 p.m. and that time my inner side is forcing me for practice because entire day I didn't practice and just I was busy about my exam. But I can't delay it. I can't avoid this practice. Every single day I should practice. Yes, I was learning also vocabs and grammar rule and regulation for examination. But I need to practice. I need to speak. For that I had not time. But now few minutes I have. That time I will show you how we can practice and by naturally how we can be a perfect speaker. So my dear friend, you can see a lots of cards in my hand. But what is this inside of cards? So I also want to show you. So there is a picture and you can see. So it is no chicken picture, means duck chicken. So every single day I will take one card and according to this animal I will speak something, because when we take some topic and regarding this topic we also try to talk, so that time we also grow. But one thing is important, I will not tell you some fictional story about this image, but what type of sentences we use in our day-to-day life and what type of story we have in our brain about our real life, so I will share with you. So you also, if you want to become a fluent speaker, please apply this topic. Take any one object, whatever is easy for you, any one topic. If you have are able to speak one line, two line, three line, doesn't matter. But speak about these things and think as like means every single day what type of sentences I uses in my day-to-day life. So let's go through to the my pig, means chicken pig. So I also have a lots of chicken in my house. So every single day we take care of this chickens and also ducks. Sometime I give foods to the duck. Sometime my auntie she gives food to the ducks. Sometime my uncle gives food to the chicken and ducks also. But it is the nature of chicken, because if you give food it is not sufficient for them, but they need water. In open water they want to enjoy, and water is important by naturally, because without water duck and chicken not happy. If you give them a good quality of food instead of water, so you will find them unhappy. Same things I saw in my house also, because our neighbor, they also had a field in his pond. For this reason, we need to stop the duck from going to this area. But when we stop duck in house, that time I saw we are giving them foods also, water also. After doing everything, they are just shouting and noising. Why? Because they need freedom, they need free water, and inside of water they enjoy, they take bath also, and they take food as well as by their self. So freedom is necessary for them. Same way, my dear friend, you also can say, means when I was a small child, so one day my mom told me, go and bring some earthworm for duck. Earthworm, duck also like earthworm. So I was digging clay and I was also finding the earthworm for duck. But by mistakenly, when I give one bite of, so you can see there, means I also in express जब मैंने चोट मारा, when I hit by shovel, so that time I cut the one neck of one duck. So that day I told, never I will come for this work because I can't handle this work. It is very difficult. Yes, if I try, I can do it. But that time I told, never I will come because it is so difficult and I can't bear that type of pain. So after that, my mom never ever told me about this work because she knew very well, means I can't do it by myself. My dear friend, this story was not a much more fancy, and how I will try to give you, expression. I want to give you information through my story. I could not, but why? Because whatever I told you, it was without preparation. And I also want to show you how we can speak without preposition, without preparation, because when we prepare, so after that we can speak very easily. But when we start a random topic, that time our mouth does not have a content, does not can the express the moment. So for this reason, I start this method. No, without preparation, I will speak. Maybe somewhere I will make mistake as a grammatically, as a sentencely, as a expressionly, but doesn't matter because I want to learn. I am learning, and when I am making mistake now, so later I can also improve. So this is the reality, bro. Take any one topic, whatever you see: home, cave, clothes, fan, chair, house, door, window, window rod, whatever is easy for you. My dear friend, take this topic and start speaking loudly regarding this topic. When you will speak regarding this topic, so definitely you will improve, you will gain confidence, and without thinking, one day you will be able to speak English language. So I hope this video was not much more fancy, but it was try to give you idea how you can practice and how you can become a fluent speaker. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and support us. Comment, share, and subscribe our channel, and please support me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.